हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब बहुत 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 अच्छे होंगे। और मैं एक बार फिर आपके सामने हाजिर हूँ एक नए आर्टिकल के साथ। तो चलिए बिना किसी देरी के शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का आर्टिकल। द स्ट्रीम ऑफ अवेयरनेस दैट कांट बी डिस्ट्रॉयड। लाइफ इज इटर्नल। वी नेवर गिव अ थॉट टू दिस ट्रूथ. When someone dies, we declare that the person is immortal. But the truth is, we ourselves are immortal too. That is why we do not feel that we have grown old. No matter how old a person is, he feels he is never going to die. If someone else dies, we say, "Oh, that poor fellow died." Everyone else dies, but I won't. This feeling is there somewhere. There is a stream of awareness within us that cannot be destroyed. To acknowledge and observe that stream is spirituality. I have not changed. I have not grown old. I am just the same. This brings us courage and strength in life that nothing can shake you. Examining your life, observing it is spirituality. It is a satsang. Satsang is not just singing bhajans, but pondering on the truth of life. What is the most important truth of life? There is an element within me that does not perish, does not diminish, and is deathless. If you direct even a slightest attention to it, life becomes easy and uncomplicated. The second truth: everything changes. The body undergoes many changes, as does the mind, so do our thoughts. Knowing that everything is changing stabilizes you. When you are established in this truth, such a smile blossoms from within you that can never be fade, cannot be robbed. To sit in an effort to gain this knowledge is satsang. If we change ourselves, we can change our environment, our society, and this world. God knows, Gurudev, how many lifetimes it will take for me to gain this awareness. Do not harbor such thoughts. Now that you have come to satsang, believe that you have already gained it. Once you are on the train, know that you will reach the destination. That is for sure. How do we make this smile unshakable? How do we make our time on the planet meaningful? Being human, we all have certain needs and certain responsibilities. If your needs are more than your responsibilities, there will be unhappiness in life guaranteed. If your responsibilities are more than your needs, life will be peaceful. What you need to do is reduce your desires and take on more responsibilities. And when in your life personal needs disappear and desires no longer exist, an extraordinary mystical ability is awakened within us that enable us to bless others. When we do not want anything for ourselves, we develop a strength to fulfill the desire of others. This is the second step you have to climb. First, become aware of your desires, and whatever desire are left, have the confidence that by God's grace they will be fulfilled. The second step is I need nothing. When you need nothing, you will become so strong that whatever you say to anyone will become a blessing to them. If you bless anyone, it will be manifest. When we die, only two questions remain. How much love have you shared, and how much knowledge have you gained? One day or the other, we are going to die. But we have to make sure we all come together and create a divine society till the time we are in this world. Thank you.